Hello, my name is John Ratzlaff. This video is for FTT 122, Intro to Ammo and Basic Ballistics. Modern cartridge cases are designed with specific features that enhance performance, reliability, and safety. The main components of a modern case include the neck, which I'm going to show you an example of this 50 cal BMG cartridge. So this is going to be the neck here. All right, this area is a narrow section of the case that holds the bullet securely. A well-designed neck ensures proper bolt alignment and consistent chambering, which contributes to accuracy and reliability. According to our SDI textbook, here, the shoulder, as you can see, this angled area, you guys can see that pretty good. This is found in bottleneck cartridges, as this one here. The shoulder aids in proper head spacing, supports efficient powder burn, and a well-angled shoulder can also help in case capacity for pressure dynamics. So the body here, which is this large portion, the body is the large portion of the case which holds the propellant. The thickness of the tapering of the body influences case expansion and extraction reliabilities. So the rim here, which I'd like to show you down here. So the rim is the base of the case, which allows for extraction and ejection. Rimmed and rimless belted and rebated rims designs serve different functions depending on the firearm and the cartridge application. The pocket primer, it's back here, this area here. So the pocket primer itself houses a primer which ignites the powder charge. A uniform primer pocket ensures consistent ignition and performance. So the headspace itself, headspace is going to be this area around the base of the cartridge. And in this one, you can see a few lettering as well. That's going to provide the information on the manufacturer and the cartridge type, aiding in identification and proper usage. Kind of part two of our week discussion here is weakness and potential improvements. Despite modern day cartridges, there's a few flaws, and some areas of potential improvement could be like case durability. So brass, the most common material that's used right now, is subject to work hardening and eventual failure. Alternative ideas or cases even now are polymer ammunition. It could also reduce weight and improve longevity. Pressure management. So some case designs struggle with consistent pressure distribution, leading to variations in velocity and accuracy. Case wall thickness and internal geometry could be adjusted to optimize combustion. Heat distribution. Cases can retain heat after firing, which can cause extraction issues in rapid fire scenarios. Developing alloys or coating that dissipate heat more eventually may enhance some performance with that. I think that would be a good idea. That's just kind of my opinion with that. Environmental resistance, though, cases can corrode or degrade over time with harsh conditions. New coatings or materials could improve resistance to moisture or contaminants. Improving these aspects could enhance ballistic consistency, firearm longevity, and overall reliability. The last part here is how might the surface of a chamber affect performance, ballistic performance that is. And the surface finish and texture of a firearm's chamber can significantly influence ballistic performance in several ways. Friction and extraction. A rough chamber surface can increase friction, making extraction more difficult and potentially leading to failure to eject. Polished chambers allow smoother case expansions and extractions. With that, more or less case expansion. So when fired, cases expand to seal the chamber. A rough or improperly machined chamber may cause uneven expansion, impacting pressure consistency and accuracy. Heat transfer. The chamber's ability to absorb and dissipate heat can affect the life of the performance of the case. Poor heat management can lead to excessive case swelling or pressure spikes. Consistency and accuracy. Uniform chamber surfaces ensure each round experiences the same condition upon firing, reducing variances in velocity and the point of impact. Really, that's kind of what I have for this week. Hopefully this works out well, and we'll see you next week.